Good evening. The honor is really mine for me to be standing here amongst all of you on this very special day of yours. Not many years ago, I was there among all of you, and I wish that all of you become more famous, more richer, more powerful than me. I sincerely wish that for every one of you, because it is possible.
I'm just like anybody else, you know, and anybody can have a dream. Well, I'm a clear example of anybody can have a dream. You come from nothing, so you dream big, but dreaming big also comes with a lot of hard work. A lot of breaking down, but coming back up, and I broke down in front of the whole world. Like everybody saw that I broke down. And it's okay, it's okay to break down. It's okay to have bad days. It's okay to not want to get out of bed on some days, and it's okay to have heartbreaks. It's okay to have relationships fail. All these things are okay, everybody has it in their life. Maybe not many people talk about it, but I would like to say that, I have, I have been a bad daughter, I have said lies, I have been in bad relationships, I have, not been the best friend, not been so it's okay. I have been there, and I have come past all these things, and so I just want to say that it's okay. You can do. There's never too late to get up and be better and work harder. Only thing that I would say is work hard. Work really, really hard. Don't expect anybody else to do it for you. Don't expect your mom or your dad or your boyfriend or your husband do the hard work for you. Do it yourself.
But I have to tell you something, that I'm from Chennai. I studied in Stella Maris. I'm also from Hyderabad. When I was studying, my mom and dad told me, study, 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 study. You'll make it. You'll make it big, study, study, study. I know I shouldn't be advising you, but I studied really hard. I topped 10th standard, I topped 12th standard, I topped college. But then, when I wanted to study further, my parents could not afford it. I could not afford to study further, and I had no dream, no future, nothing. So what I'm trying to say is, I know that you believe that you are supposed to take the path that your parents, that everyone expects of you. But I am here to tell you to dream. Dream whatever you want, and you will achieve it. You will fail. It is hard, but you should persist, and that's what I did. I ate one meal a day for at least 2 months. I worked odd jobs. I did, and I'm here today. So I'm saying, if I was able to do it, you can. You are the future of this country, the only future of this country, and I salute you, and I wish you the very, very best. and thank you for having me.